Good morning, doctor. My name is Lim Wei Jian, and my teammate is Eunice Fong Teck Yin. The title of our project is Personal Automated Telephone Usage Record. Now I'm going to run the program. As you can see, there's an animation as welcoming. Then here is the user login menu. There's three options: login, sign up, and exit. Now I'm going to try login. In the login section, it will ask you for the username and also the password. If username and password are correct, it will show a speech to welcome the user. Then we enter the main program menu. There's 5 options here: call, text, display call list, display text list, and terminate system. I'm going with the first one, which is call. In the call section, the program will ask you either the user want to make call or receive call. Let's go with make call, and now we need to enter the call phone number. When the call phone number is entered, the time is starting to count. And for here, we need to type any key to end the call. After we enter it, the call will be end and the duration is calculated. Now it will ask either to continue calling or end. For the second one, I will try for the receive call. Then the program will ask you to enter received phone number. For here, as same, it will start to counting, and we need to enter any key to end call. Any value is fine. Then it will ask again either to continue calling or end the session. Then it will ask you whether to continue this program as the user. For now, I will choose Y or yes. After the call session, we can enter display call list. Then we can see the call that we made just now, which is in number 5 and number 6. And it will also show the previous call that you have made. After display call list, it will ask you either to continue this program again as user. For now, I'll press Y as continue the program as user, and it will bring back you to the main program menu.
Now type 2 for texting, 1 sending text phone number, enter your message, maybe like how are you. Once I hit enter after the line how are you, then the time of sending message is recorded. You can choose 1 for continue texting or 0 to end it. So I would like to choose 1. Then you can type 2 for receive text. Enter the receiver phone number. Then the content will be Happy New Year. Once I hit enter, the message is sending out and the time is recorded. This time I would like to choose 0 to end it. Continue the program. You can type 4 to have a look the previous record and the message that you have sending out just now, like Happy New Year, how are you, and the number of words. Continue the program. This time I would like to choose 5, terminate system. Then it will show that you have logged out, but do you want to continue this program? If yes, then put 1. If no, then put N. Yes, then it will go back to the login page. This time you can try to log in as another user, for maybe Jack, the password, so you can have a look at the display call list it will not be the same as just now because this is another user. So this is a personal record lah. So do you want to continue this program as Jack? So no. So but you want to continue this program? Yes. You will go back to the login page this time.
Now I'm going to demonstrate the sign up process. When we enter the sign up session, the program will ask you to create a new username and also the phone number for it. It will ask you for the password and confirm the password. After that, it will show that the user is signed up successfully, and it will ask you whether to continue this program or not. Then you can try to log in with our newly created user. Yeah, it will show that welcome the user, and it will enter. As you can see, if I try display call list, the call list will be empty, so as the tag list, because this newly created user doesn't have any recorded yet. Then I can terminate the system and coming back into the user login menu.
So if you want to exit, you can just press 3 to exit, then it will have a thanks message. Next will be wrong selection choice. So I would like to put 5, which is not in the range. Hit enter, then you have a command like choice out of range, please try again. So hit enter again to run this page. Choose one for login. Kelly is the user that not in the user list. So I put the enter the password. Then it will say that invalid user or password. Please try again or proceed to sign up. So hit enter, then put white for go back to the login page. So
now I'm going to demonstrate the wrong selection for sign up. There are many cases to have wrong selection in sign up. For example, I will try to enter a username. If I enter it, it will tell me that the username is taken. Please try again. Then after pressing any button, it will ask you whether to continue the program or not. Then if I try for the case 2, is that I will have a new user. However, my number is taken by other previous user. It will show that the phone number is taken. Please try again. As for the third case, you will see the user and the phone number are not the same as the previous user, but my password is wrong. Then it will tell me that the password is incorrect. Please try again. For these 3 cases, the program will not record any data from user input into the user data file.
now choose one for call. So there is only 2 choice, but if you enter 3, it will repeat again. Invalid choice, please try again. Now you can choose 2. So there is the same thing like previous. Maybe you choose 99, then invalid choice. Then try again later. Now what is your preference of choice? If you put 99, then it will out of the range, right? So when you hit enter, it will nothing come out, but don't worry, you can just type anything and press enter again. It will have an invalid choice. Please try again. Then press enter again to go back to the display page. So if you want to type 5 to terminate the system, enter. Then do you want to continue this program? If no, then it will go out. Thank you.